Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recolor your artwork. For instance, you have this artwork here and you don't really like how the color looks, so to recolor them all together, and I don't want to do this one by one, go to the edit section and you're going to select edit colors here, select recolor artwork. Then here you can either go to color library or you can rotate these around to recolor your artwork. I kind of like to just go to color library and select, for instance, this earth tone here. You can kind of drag it here as well. I quite like this one actually. You can go to foods and select ice cream for it. And I'm going to go with this one because I really like the colors, but again, just go to edit colors, recolor. I should just undo it and do that here. Right, where did it go? And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.